Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my class. We are doing class 10th maths from NCERT, chapter 1, real numbers. We completed all the 4 examples, example 1 to 4. And now let's start exercise 1.1, NCERT class 10th. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. As a product of its prime factors. In all the examples we did this. Let's complete it very fast. So 140. This is an even number, so it will be divided by 2. So 70. Again, it will go by 2. 35. Then by 5, it will give you 7. 7. 1. Now, how can you write 140? 140 equals to 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. This is the prime factorization of 140. We wrote 140 as a product of its prime factors. This was question number 1. Let's do question number 2. 156. 156. Again, 156. 6 is an even number. That means 156 is an even number. Let's divide it by 2. So 7, 8. Once again by 2. So 3, 9. Now 39, it will go by 3. So when you divide 39 by 3, it will give you 13. 13 is a prime number. So 13 divided by 13 is 1. That means 156 as a product of its prime factor is written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. Okay. Second. Now let's do question 3. 3, 8, 2, 5. Now see, its units digit is 5. If its unit digit is 5, it will definitely go by 5. So let's start dividing it by 5. So this is 38. We'll write 7 because 35. Then 32. So 6 for 30 and 25, 5. See, if you face difficulty in dividing orally, you can also do like this. 5 7s are 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2, you bring down 2. Then 5 6 are 30. 2, bring down 5. And 5s are 25. So you can always do by this method. You should not hesitate like you always have to do orally. No. You can practice by writing also. Okay, 765. Once again, units place is 5. Let's divide it by 5. So 1, then 2 left, 26. So 5 times is 25. Then 1 is left, then 3. Now see, the prime factorization should go by order. Like first you should use a small number, 2, then 3, like this. But because the units place was 5, I started with 5. Otherwise, we have to think whether it will go by 3 or not. So I just started with 5 and now I got 153 and you can simply see that it will go by 3. So 15 comes 5 times and 3 comes 1 time. Once again, it will go by 3. So 1 and then 21, it's 17 and 17, 1. Now, when you will write its prime factorization, you should write the numbers in order. So first you should write 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 17, like this. So question 1, 2, 3, they are there on the screen. You can copy down. Okay, let me clear all the 3 questions and we'll start 4th and 5th. Again, 4th, it's 5005. Let's divide it by, once again you can see that the units digit is 5. So we'll start dividing it by 5. So it's 1, 0, 0, 1. Now see, this is a palindrome number, like ulta seedha ek saman, no? Like isko ulta bhi likhenge to it's same. So these kind of numbers are known as palindrome. Like if you'll reverse it, it's 1, 0, 0, 1. So palindrome numbers, they usually they are divided by 11. They are divisible by 11. So 100, you can divide like this. 11, 9 times is 99. Subtract, you'll get 1. Bring 1 down. So 11 ones are 11. So 91. So we'll write here 91. Now 91. For this, you should know the tables. 17 will divide 91. Let's see. 17, 91 we want. No. Sorry, 13 will divide. 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are, yeah, okay. 13 will divide, not 17. So in the table of 13, 91 will come 7 times. So yes, we can then write. Then we can write 7, 13, 13, 1. So this all you can do by practice. You have to use hit and trial method. You have to hit several numbers, and where you get success, there you have to go. So now if I summarize all the factors together, so I'll start with 5, then 7, 11, 13. This is the prime factorization of 5005, 5005. Now comes question number 5, 7429. Now see, it's a big number and it's not even, so we can't start with 2. Now to check whether it will go by 3 or not. So you all must be knowing divisibility test. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 9. No, it will not go by 3 because 13 plus 9 is 22 and 22 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. Then 4 it will not go because it will not go by any even number. And 5 also not. 7, we should check. There is no divisibility test for 7. Let's check by dividing. So no, see 7, 42. 7 is divisible by 7. 42 is divisible but 9 is not. So leave 7. 11, we have a divisibility test for 11. Like add these number alternatively. 9 plus 4 is 13. 7 plus 2 it's 9 and 13 minus 9. If it's 0 or a multiple of 11. If it's 0 or a multiple of 11, then it will go by 11. But this time it's not 0, it's 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So it will not go by 11. So let's check 13. We should divide it by 13. So 65. We should do like this now. 13. 13 5s are 65. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 2. 13 7s are we did now, right now. Oh, no, it will not go by 13. So after 13, we have to directly come to 17. So 7, 4, 2, 9, let's divide it by 17. So 17, 34, then 4s are 68. 14 minus 8 is 6, 62. 17, 3 times is 51. And it's 119. I think it will come in 7 times. 7 7s are 49. Yes. It's 7 times 190. So when we divide it by 17, we get 437. So this way, like you have to make the tables if you don't remember all the tables. Now 437. Let's check. Let's check again by 17. So 17 times 2 is 34. 13 minus 4 is 997. No. So not by 17. Now we should come directly to 23. I'm checking all the prime numbers because see, after 17 I have 18. 18 is an even number. Then yes, we have 19. We should check by 19 also. All the prime numbers we'll consider. 19 times 2 is 38. 38, 76. No, 19 times 3 is 57. 14 minus 7 is 7, and here 1, then bring down 2. 19 times 9 is 171, I think, yeah, 171. So 19 times 9 is 171, 1 is left, bring down 9, and yes, 19 ones are 19. So 90 in the table of 9, 437. Oh, what I'm doing? I'm dividing 7429 by 19. No, I was not supposed to do this. I was not supposed to do this. Well, if 7429 goes by 19, that means 437 will definitely go by 19. So let's take a second and divide it by 19. So 19 times 2 is 38. 13 minus 8 is 5, 57, 3 times. Okay, so all done. 23 is a prime number, so 1 time. So see, I'm also doing by hit and trial method. I'm just hitting a number, I'm just thinking of a number and just checking it whether the number will go by this or not. So there is no particular method. You have to practice. Jitna practice karoge, utna you'll be perfect in it. Yeah. So practice multiplication, division, everything. All the 5 parts of question number 1 are done. Okay. Now I'll do second question in the next video. Okay. Check out my next videos for the further questions. Bye-bye.